Good evening, Glendale mathematicians. This is Mr. Silman. This is lesson 8.3. And get your paper and pencil ready. Here we go. By the end of the math lesson today, you will have a better understanding of how to write and solve one-step and two-step equations for problems. Okay? You will also better understand the properties of equalities. Think back to all the things you learned in 3rd grade and 4th grade. That will help you out today. So if you think about the following expressions, we're going to have 11 plus 15 equals 26. But also flip it around where 26 now becomes the front, 26 minus 11 equals 15. Okay? So I want you to keep this in mind. And if you think about it, whatever, if I draw a line here, whatever's on, there we go. This 11 plus 15 equals 26. So whatever's on this side of the equal sign, this is all about balance. This has to equal this. 26 minus 11 has to equal 15 on this side. Okay? So whatever's on this side of the equation has to be whatever's on this side of the equation. Think about all the word problems you've had over the course of your young lifetime. We have change problems, collection problems, we have comparisons, we have break apart drawings, we have comparison bars. And if you think about it, addition and subtraction are inverse operations. That means if you have 1 plus 2 equals 3, you can take the 3 minus 2 equals 1. You just flip it around, and that's what inverse means. Okay? Here are some equal group, array, and combination problems. You've had those actually this year and last year and in 3rd grade. We've had equal share drawings and fast array drawings. And if you think about multiplication and division, it's the same thing. 3 times 4 equals 12, but also 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, that's the inverse. And so today, oh, who's this handsome guy? Oh, interesting. If you saw the answer, you will move Mr. Silman's head and slide it away. So, what are some related equations to this problem? Okay, go ahead and pause the video if you need to. You might be able to kind of flip things around in your head. Go ahead and pause right now. All right, welcome back. If we slide my head over this way, we have 20 times 7 equals 140. But we can also change it up. 7 times 20 equals 140. 140 divided by 20 equals 7. 140 divided by 7 equals 20. They're all related. This is fact family, if you want to remember that term. Fact family. We'll put Mr. Silman to sleep over here. There we go. Oh, by the way, Jacob, quit laughing. Thank you. All right. Yeah, here's some related equations. We have 6n. 6n stands for 6 times n equals 30. We also have 30 equals 6 times n. On here, what does n represent? 5. 5. Thank you, Michaela. That's awesome. All right, here we go. So this is a good spot to stop. Go ahead and pause, solve these equations, and I will catch you on the flip side. Welcome back. Hopefully you have the correct answers. Let's go ahead and check your work right now. Answer number 1 is 4.8. That means 4.8 plus 3.2 equals 8. 61 minus p equals 37. P equals 24. And 16 times d. D stands for 2.5. That's going to equal 40. Let's do some more. I'm glad you asked. All right, go ahead and pause. Solve these problems, pause, and I'll catch you in just a little bit. Welcome back. Let's check your work. Okay, we have 107. 1 and 100th. 192. 17. 5. 31. One more practice page. Let's go ahead and check your work on this one. Go ahead and pause. Welcome back. These were a little tougher. These should have taken you a little bit longer to figure out. Hopefully you had to read each sentence very carefully. You might have had to reread it a couple different times. Let's check your answer. 28.3 equals 5 times t. T is going to equal 5 and 66/100 miles. Okay? Or miles per hour, sorry. We have $175 plus M equals $450. M equals $275. Okay, this would be a good one to practice. This is what we practice today in class, but also last night in the video. This is PEMDAS. It might help you if you write PEMDAS right up here, so that helps you. Okay. This is something I want you to bring in tomorrow. We will check your answers tomorrow. Go ahead and pause. All right. Thank you. Welcome back. Remember, these answers 13 through 19 we will check in class tomorrow. So make sure you bring a piece of paper, a notebook, a post-it note, something, so you can bring this to school tomorrow. Okay, let's keep going. 4n equals t. How can you solve this? What does n equal? Nice, Jada. N does equal 5. Nice job. Okay. What if we have this now? If 4n equals plus 4 equals 20, n can equal 5. Because 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So what does n equal? Well, n, 4n is the unknown. So now you have to 4 times what number equals 16? So n has to be, you said it, it is 4. Nice. Okay. How about this one? Go ahead and pause. Think about it. Think about it. What helps me out is if I do this. If I have a plus 1 right here, if I plus 1 on that side, I minus 1 on this side. So now I have 3n equals 18. N is going to equal, yeah, 6. N equals 6. Put a big 6 right here. Let's check our work. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Nice job. 7d minus 5. So something times 7, you take 5 away from that, you're going to get 30. We'll just delete this guy right here. There we go. What number subtract 5 equals 30? Well, we know that 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 5 equals 30. Okay. So remember, what is the unknown? What is the unknown for the equation to be true? Go ahead and pause. All right, welcome back. This is something I'm going to walk through quickly in class. So I'm going to change the microphone. I'm going to put it in a different spot. And hopefully you'll be able to hear me from where you're at. Okay? All right, I'm walking to the whiteboard right now. Here I am. So what I remember, PEMDAS. So parentheses first. So something plus 7, 8 divided by that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm going to minus 7 on this side, so this is going to be 0. And I'm going to add 7 on this side to 8. So now I have 8 divided by 8. Oh, that's wrong. Let's do it this way. So something plus 7. I'm going to divide that. So 8 divided by y is going to equal 1. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Okay? So I know that 3f, 3 times something minus 1 is 8. So I know that 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. G, I know that, let's see, what do I know about this one? Something divided by 5. So I can go 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll say that is 5. 2m, this could be 6. 2m, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. We have, I'm thinking on the fly here, let's see, this could be 10. No, this could be 8. This could be 3, 4. What could D be? Huh, what could D be? Any guesses out there? Katrina, do you have a guess? You have a guess? Let's see what the guess is. Green card. Green card. How about 2? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And we're going to put 6 right here. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 5 is 19. We have H down here. H equals 4.5. And then the 27R is going to equal 20. R equals 20. All right. Very quickly. Okay, go ahead and try to solve this one. Go ahead and pause it. All right. Yep, look right down here. There you go. 0.5 was added to both sides of the equation. All right. All right, here. Oh, sorry, I give you the answers. Here, go ahead and pause the video right now. Try to solve these. Think about what's on this side. And now think about what's on this side. Remember, each side has to equal out. Okay, welcome back. I showed you the quick answers, but I will flip back here the correct answers. So go ahead and pause, check your work. And this will be the end of this lesson. So again, you might have to rewind the video to make sure that you get everything. Be prepared to do your homework in class tomorrow. Have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.